Hello, if you want to clean your Apple Watch Series 10 bands, then it actually depends what kind of bands you have. So we got sport band, leather band, metal, and the nylon. So the sport band you can actually wipe with a damp cloth and mild soap if needed. Then you will have to dry it with a lint-free cloth. If you have a leather band, you will have to actually wipe this with a dry cloth. You will have to actually avoid water, and you will have to air dry it. If you have metal bands, then you can also clean this with a damp cloth and mild soap, and you will have to dry it like for real. Just be sure that there's no any water on it, because you can get even rust here. And the last one, the nylon bands, you can basically wash them with your mild soap and water, and then rinse and air dry. So that will be all. That's quick and basic information for you. Of course, what is also very important, then before you start, you will have to actually remove them from your watch like this. And yeah, that will be all. After this, you can just attach them back. Thanks for watching.